When you picture a cannabis consumer, who is it that comes to mind? I hope that that image that used to be one of lazy, stoner, stupid, hungry, all of the awful stereotypes that are absolutely not true. I hope that that image of who a cannabis consumer for you has changed, because I know for me it certainly has. We are not lazy. We are in fact more motivated than nearly anybody on the planet. I was reading an article yesterday saying that people who consume cannabis and exercise for longer. I mean, we're really finding some cool trends, and the stigmas are being shattered about who cannabis consumers are. For me as a mother, as a woman, as a business owner, as someone who volunteers with nonprofits and advocates for education choices and all of the cannabis legalization things, particularly social consumption, which is the topic that I'm particularly interested in as well. I implore all of you to support the social consumption movement going on. There is a place to sign up over there. But I know for me, as a woman in this world right now, I want to scream from the rooftops that I am a cannabis consumer. I don't look like the typical cannabis consumer, although today I may in my cannabis dress, which I wear proudly. But in other areas of my life, I don't look like a cannabis consumer, and I go out of my way to tell everybody that I am, because I think it's up to each of us right now to go out into the world and say, this is my medicine. And I know so many other people that are finding healing relief from cannabis as well. My teenage self would have never believed what I would do when I grew up. I pinch myself nearly every day. My name is Samantha Montanaro, and I'm the co-founder of Tokeativity, the global cannabis community for women. We have women's communities that organize events in the United States, South Africa, Spain, and Canada, and soon 135 other cities around the world. Something that I have learned from this women's community is the ultimate love that cannabis brings to the surface, and how cannabis can be a vehicle for us being our best selves. Women, when they get together and consume cannabis together, there is this swirling magical energy that is really truly magical, and I think we all, regardless of gender, feel that when we consume cannabis. It is such a beautiful plant, and it is my life's work from now until forever, to advocate for the walls coming down around cannabis, for equal access, and really for global legalization. We have an opportunity right now to be pioneers, each and every one of you, by just going out into the world and saying, I'm a cannabis consumer, or by sharing on your Facebook that, hey, this is a place where you can sign a ballot, or by going into your dispensary if you're not a cannabis consumer and going in and starting to learn about what this plant has to offer. We all have an opportunity to be a true pioneer in this space right now. There's more than enough room. We have a long ways to go until everybody's out of jail. There's so much work to do, and we need every single person on board. So I really implore you to join me and so many others here. You can find out more about what we do at tokeativity.com. And again, my name is Samantha. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much to all of the absolute legends whom I have adored and been humbled by. Your advocacy and your leadership has made me a leader, and I will continue to take my leadership and turn other people into leaders as well. Thank you so much for everything, and what an honor. Thank you.